Say hello to my new hat. What's up? I wanted to stream this live from my laptop, which is going to be here. It wasn't working properly. It didn't work. We had some sort of bugs. I wanted to do this with my phone. It didn't work out. And I am forced to do this live with the selfie camera of my phone, which is not going to be really funny, but I'm going to do that. Try not to laugh, okay? Hi everybody, welcome to this video. Hi. Really sorry about that. You have joined this live bunch of times, but it didn't go well. We had some sort of bugs. I don't know why, but right now I think we are good to go. Hi everybody. Hi. In this live, I'm going to explain some things to you, which is going to be really nice. Let's begin because my hands is hurting. I have to hold this camera like this for something like 15 minutes or even more. So try not to ask too many questions and just listen to the report of cryptocurrency market. You like it? So let's begin with BTC USD chart. I'm going to use my phone to explain something to you. Let's rotate. Right now, love from India, love you too, man. Right now, Bitcoin price is $35,800. If you check weekly time frame, you can see that in this area, we had a potential support and one big weekly candle below this level, which is showing us sell pressure in the market. And I think we are going to have some pullbacks to this level. If we go up in the upcoming days, we are going to see a rejection from $39,000 area because I think we need some consolidation here in this area. After the breakout from this red trend line, if you see this red trend line on the daily time frame, if I zoom out, you can see that this trend line is working really well. And after the breakout from this red trend line, we can actually move to the higher levels, but it's pretty soon. I think if we move up, we are going to see rejection from $39,000 area. Not a financial advice though. Everything you see and hear in this video is not going to be a financial advice. This video is made and it's going on with educational purposes. But I think we are going to see some rejections from $40,000 area with a stop loss of 45,000. I'm going to enter short position here because I think we can see some lower levels in upcoming days. This is my analysis about Bitcoin. You can check multiple time frames. You can actually check some on-chain activities too. For example, right now price is moving down, but if you check the balance, exchange balance, the amount of Bitcoin in the exchanges, you can see that they are moving down too. And market is moving down, market is dropping, but exchange balance is not increasing. It's a good sign, guys. So this is the first thing you need to know right now. And also we can check some distribution, for example, wallets with more than 0.1 Bitcoin. Let me find them. Right now you can see that wallets with more than 0.1 Bitcoin, they are not doing anything special. Wallets with more than 1 Bitcoin 2, wallets with more than 10, they are selling a little bit, but in overall they are not doing anything special, okay? And wallets with more than 100 Bitcoin, they are selling a little bit and they have been selling all the time. This bearish trend is the reason of these guys, because these guys are selling too much. And wallets with more than 1,000 Bitcoin, they are consolidating 10,000 Bitcoin, nothing special. So if in the upcoming days we see higher levels. I think it's a short position opportunity, and after that I think we can see some lower levels too. So this is my analysis about Bitcoin right now, and cryptocurrency market is a little bit tricky, and don't get FOMO. I'm going to enter buy position somewhere around $31,000, because if you zoom out on daily time frame or weekly time frame, you can see that we are inside this big trading range for Bitcoin. The top of this trading range is $64,000, $65,000 area. The bottom is going to be 28, 29, and 30,000 in the price action strategies. You can enter buy position somewhere around $30,000 area, and this is a trading range strategy. This area is good. I'm going to buy 1 or 2 Bitcoins in the spot market. I'm not going to use any kind of leverages, because leverages are quite risky right now. And another good thing right now in cryptocurrency market is tether balance in the exchanges. It's increasing dramatically, and we have too much tether in the market. They are waiting for some situation in order to buy Bitcoin, or I don't know, Ethereum, some good altcoins. So if we want to check this tether balance too, I'm going to load it for you, because it's going to be mind-blowing right now. After that, we can check exchange a stablecoin supply ratio, which is really important in on-chain activities. You should always check this indicator too, and we are going to check these indicators. Let me find Tether USDT right here, and if you check exchange balance, you will notice something really important here. As you can see here, exchange balance of Tether is somewhere around all-time high. This level is all-time high, and when exchange balance of Tether moves up too much and price is moving down, it's a sign that we are somewhere around potential support area, because they are waiting to buy. Okay, and also we have another market indicator which is too important at this moment. This is going to be a stable coin supply ratio. I was waiting for this moment for a long time. I was waiting for a signal for a long time until now. If I want to zoom in, you can see that this orange line is stable coin supply ratio, and whenever this orange line moves below this blue line, we have a bullish signal in cryptocurrency market. You can see that after that price moved up too much, and whenever this stable coin supply ratio moves above this blue line, we are going to see some rejections in the upcoming days. So right now we are below this blue line again, which is telling us that we have too much power in stable coins. If you want to read about the metric description, you can see that whenever this metric is too much low, stable coins have too much power in order to buy Bitcoin. I think in the upcoming days, in my opinion, in the upcoming days, we are going to see some consolidation around 39 up to $30,000 area. We might even break below this level for some moments. It's not going to be a long time, and after that we are going to see a big pump to the upside somewhere around $65,000 or even higher prices. Again, this is my analysis. This is not a financial advice, and yeah, it's too important. And you're asking me, you are using price action strategies. Why do you use on-chain activities? For analyzing Bitcoin properly, I can use more indicators. I can use more confirmations. It's helped me to take the wise decision, to take a wiser decision. I have a tool. I can use it. So, and I'm kind of getting professional in analyzing on-chain activities, and because I've been doing this for a long time. And let me give you another market indicator, which is going to be too important, which is going to be a hash ribbon indicator. As you can see, whenever this green line moves below this blue line, we have a bearish signal in cryptocurrency market. And whenever this green line moves above this blue line, we have a bullish signal in cryptocurrency market. This green line is 30-day moving average of hash rate. This green line is 30-day moving average of hash rate, and the blue line is 60-day moving average of hash rate. And whenever this green is above blue, we have bullish signals. And right now you can see that market dropped too much, but we didn't have any kind of bearish signal in this indicator. I think we are still in the correction, not in the bearish trend in the in the higher time frames, for example weekly or monthly time frame. We are still bullish, because if you check weekly time frame, you can see that price moved up too much, and right now we are having some corrections. So I'm thinking about this 29 up to $30,000 if you want to check these moving averages in the Btc stamp chart, because on the weekly time frame we have more data, so you can see that. And in the weekly time frame you can see this red line has worked properly in the past, which is 100 weeks moving average, this red line. And if you check the history of Bitcoin, you will notice that this red line works properly as a dynamic support and resistance area. And the final support is going to be 200 weeks moving average, which is going to be this black line, the final support of all time for Bitcoin. And as you can see in the 2015, we had a support from this black line, 200 weeks moving average. After that, price moved up. We had a dump from $20,000 to the $3,000 area. After that, this 200 weeks moving average supported the price again, and price moved up from $3,000 up to $15,000, up to $14,000 area. After that, we had coronavirus crisis, and you can see that we had a massive dump in the market, and we didn't break below this 200 weeks moving average again. And right now, this 200 weeks moving average is somewhere around $21,000 or $20,000 for Bitcoin. So in the upcoming days, I'm going to enter buy position. I'm going to buy 1 or 2 Bitcoin somewhere around $30,000. If price moves down to the $20,000 or $25,000, I'm going to buy even more. This is what I'm going to do in the upcoming days. This is not a financial advice for you, and I'm not recommending you to do anything right now. This is what I'm going to do. Do you have any kind of questions? Any question, guys? Some people are saying that when you're analyzing chart with technical analysis, every data you need is inside the chart. Yes, it is. But for more confirmation, because I'm going to talk in front of people, I need more confirmations. I need to talk with more confidence, and that's why I'm using on-chain data. For myself, I am using my trading range strategy because Bitcoin right now is inside the trading range, and the bottom of this trading range is 29 up to $30,000 area. So in my strategy, that's enough for me. I'm using these data for you, and not more for, I'm using it for more confirmations. Why altcoins do not recover with Bitcoin? Most of the times altcoins, they will wait for having some confirmations of bullish trend. After that, they are going to get recovered. So I think we have covered everything you need to know. I think this bearish trend is going to get ended somewhere around 15th of February, 15th up to 13th of 29th of the 13th. I'm sorry about that, I got confused. I think this bearish trend is going to get ended somewhere around 15th of February up to 28th of February. In this area, we are going to see the end of this bearish trend. After that, we are going to see higher levels. Why? Because in this bearish movement, this whole package, the first dump from $64,000 to the $28,000 area, and this recovery to this $67,000 area, and this another dump is happening with the ABC correction formation, which is the first wave is the A. This wave is A. After that, we had this correction B, and this one is the final bearish wave, which is going to get ended somewhere around $30,000, or it might even happen somewhere around $25,000. After that, I think we are going to see a missile to the moon. You know, I'm still believing that we are going to see higher levels. This is my opinion. I still believe that we have not, this is not over yet. I still believe that this is my opinion, that this is not the end for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency market. And I'm waiting, I'm too curious about 2022 actually. So this live is freestyle mode. I have to use my phone. My computer didn't work. My iPhone didn't work. I'm using my Samsung phone right now, which is not funny at all, but I'm doing my best to give you all the information that you need right now. Don't forget that this whole live is not a financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, and you have to keep this in your mind. And you're asking me if are we going to break below $30,000? I don't know yet. I don't know yet. I have to see the reaction, the price action around $30,000 area. I need to see that. After that, I can talk with more confidence. But right now, I need to see that. So, what's your opinion? Where is the final bottom for Bitcoin? I just want another pattern for Bitcoin. Guys, we can take a look at Bitcoin like this. You know, we can draw this price channel. As you can see, this middle line has worked properly in the previous days, and the top and the bottom of this channel has worked pretty much. So right now the potential bottom is $30,600, pretty huge for Bitcoin. If we break below this level, it's going to get ugly, you know. It's going to get ugly. I hope it doesn't happen actually. So guys, if you enjoyed this live video up to now, I recommend you to give me some thumbs up, and if you're new in my channel, make sure to smash that subscribe button. We are going to drop a daily live video about Bitcoin and altcoin technical analysis. We are actually going to cover everything, and sometimes we have live trades in the YouTube. I recommend you to smash that subscribe button if you are new, and I hope you enjoyed tonight live, and I'm going to see you later in upcoming days, and bye for now.